guys, it's Bill back in the shop. Finally getting around to my next upgrade. I'm gonna put on these hot racing C-hubs steering knuckles. It's been a while. I've just haven't had a lot of time to get in here and do anything, but I'll get in here today and get these put on. Done a lot of little things, probably I haven't shown anybody, but put on the brake discs. I got one on here, it's stuck on the wheel right now, but just add another little bit of realism, you know. We're going to get these taken off today and see what happens. Alright, I got the bearings in. Just takes a little finesse, you know how that goes. But everything's nice and smooth. And we'll stick her back in there. Get this lined up the right angle. And I think that's it. Alright, I got the bearings back in, got it back together. Everything's working good. I'm going to put the ends back on. I guess we can stick this one on first. Yeah, these just, I like the way these look. Where is this? There we go. Get these lined back up. There we go. Just looks a little better. Whoops. Yeah, everyone knows about these. And where's my rotor one? My rotor's stuck in this wheel for right now. I just gotta fix it a little bit, but we can get it to go back on. Get this one back on. Yeah, I thought my axle was binding up when I tightened that on there, but I actually just had to sand a little bit of the material off the C-hub in here. It was just binding when it would go into a turn. But here we go, back together. Also I got on this, well, you've seen my interior with Arnold. A couple other things I put on here. I got another motor. It's an Arma 15-turn brushed motor, but I put it to a 3-to-1 gear reduction unit. You can see it on the front of the motor right here. 3-to-1 gear reduction. You got super torque, but yeah, I'm liking it so far. I mean, the motor doesn't get hot. That's a 15-turn motor on a 3-to-1 gear reduction. So I'm going to try it out, test it out. I'll let you guys know how it is. I appreciate you watching. Thanks.